Ito nga pala ang Honor X50i Plus, isang bagong smartphone na may 5G connectivity. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Ang phone na to ay may 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, may 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution, with 90Hz refresh rate at may 2000 nits peak brightness. Ang Honor X50i Plus ay may operating system na Android 13 with Magic OS 7.2 at may MediaTek Dimensity 6080 6nm chipset with Mali G57 MC2 na GPU. Sa kanya namang storage, meron itong 12GB of RAM with 256 or 512GB of internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Pagdating naman sa kanyang battery, ito ay may 4500 mAh battery with 35W fast charging. Meron din siyang reverse charging. Ang Honor X50i Plus ay mayroong dual camera setup with 108MP main camera and 2MP depth sensor with LED flash, HDR and panorama at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron siyang 8MP selfie camera with 1080p at 30fps video recording. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 161.1 by 74.6 by 6.8mm at may timbang na 166 grams. Ito ay naka-dual SIM. Meron siyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner at ito ay may loudspeaker. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang price niya. Ang estimated price ng Honor X50i Plus ay around 12,300 pesos para sa 256 variant at around 13,800 pesos naman para sa 512 variant. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Honor X50i Plus? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, please like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Peace!